Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, all of you will be fine. My name is DrQurrat6681 and my designations are as follows: was a production manager, research and development manager, business development specialist, and also doing my online consultancy and have done my duties as a regulatory officer in that. Today, I want to discuss about important steps to become a skilled pharmacist. The steps to become a skilled pharmacist in pharmaceutical industries are as follows: pharmacist, an important pillar in industry, as we know that in manufacturing industry or all era of pharmacy, a pharmacist plays its pivotal role. So, role of pharmacist in pharmaceutical industries is very important and critical as well. The pharmacists are involved in all departments starting from raw material, research and development, manufacturing, IQPC, quality control to packaging. So the pharmacist working in a pharmaceutical industry should be skilled and master of his field both in practical knowledge and the theoretical knowledge. All the departments in the pharmaceutical industries are important, but production is the backbone of the pharmaceutical industry. So pharmacists working in the production area should be skillful. Following are the some key points which will help to improve knowledge and skills of pharmacists. First of all, be a silent observer. Pharmacists, after getting their professional degree, enter into the professional life, and this environment is different from the academic environment. In the pharmaceutical industry, he is directly involved in all manufacturing activities. He has a degree and is equipped with the theoretical knowledge, but he lacks large scale practical manufacturing skills. So, the first point is that he should learn as much as he can. At the start of his career, he should become a silent observer because we cannot gain skills without observing small and large activities. Make a schedule to observe all activities on the production floor one by one. Observe every machine and process with deep interest. Try to observe the basic working principles of all equipment and basics of manufacturing processes. Write notes. You should be in your routine that you should make notes properly. Try to make a habit to write down all your observations, make flowcharts of all activities, and highlight the important points as well. Then discuss with operators. An operator working in a manufacturing area or operating a machine is a skillful to operate that machine and to manufacture that specific product. The operator practically knows well about equipment or a process, but he lacks theoretical and scientific knowledge, so discuss with the operator about that machine or process to know about equipment and simply process details. The operator will tell you about the machine working, its parts, and about the handling of machine parts regardless of theoretical knowledge. Try to discuss the process layout with the operator and ask him to tell you about the previous history of breakdowns, troubleshootings, and failure of any kind. It will help you to understand possible defects. So, being an officer or being a pharmacist, that you are a qualified person under your limitations, you can talk to operator. You can interact with the operator because he is a master of the machine. He can suggest you or he can guide you about the proper working of machine. An operator is practically more skilled and a pharmacist is equipped with theoretical knowledge, but when a pharmacist learns practical skills and combines his theoretical knowledge with practical work, he becomes master of his field. So it is very necessary that that your interaction with others should be polite one or should be generous one. The important point to remember is that the operator is not a qualified person and has no pharmaceutical degree, so he will tell you according to his experience or all the observations of problem solving. So do not think that whatever a operator tells you is always scientifically right. Try to research or try to study in your authentic pharmacopoeias. So, study regularly. Make a habit to read books, pharmaceutical blogs, and take part in pharmaceutical discussions forums. Whatever you observe or discuss with the operator, try to read it from authentic source to make your concepts clear. During the academic period, try to focus of the student is should on theoretical knowledge with some small scale or lab-based practical knowledge. For example, he may know about simple mixers or simple punch machines or small rotary compression machines, but he does not know about the working of high shear granulator or high speed automatic compression machines and complex manufacturing procedures like sterile manufacturing, filling, etc. So, when he observed these in his job period and study, his concepts are more clear because, as well as his theoretical background is strong, then he will practically observe or experience machineries, how they make the medicines. He will learn more and more, and he will gain his experience. Discuss with seniors. In pharmaceutical industries, trained qualified pharmacists are also working there for years. Try to find a person who is master in his field and discuss with him your queries and spend some time with him on the working floor, checking his working style, skills, and approach to handle the problems. One important step to remember is that skills are not inherited but are gained by dedication, hard work, and learning. Sometimes we can find a junior pharmacist who may be more skilled than a senior pharmacist. So try to find the exact qualified person in your organization who is expert in his field, no matter if he is senior or junior. Do not hesitate to learn from juniors. The benefit of discussions with a qualified person is that he will guide you according to his practical skills and theoretical knowledge. He will solve your queries with his scientific knowledge, which he operates or not able to answer. Be practical. Be kind when you think that you are confident enough to perform a manufacturing activity yourself, then start it and try to perform some critical processes yourself. But in the presence of your skilled trained senior, so in the presence of skilled trained senior or qualified pharmacist or your colleague is much necessary. For practical pharma learning, confidence is the key to success. Be confident. Do not lose confidence. Good operators are also present in the pharma sectors who are eager to learn and give courage to the pharmacists by motivations that you can do that. So try to work with them. Operate processes yourself like granulation, develop skills to determine the granulation and find etc. and how to perform tablet coating processes. Try to indulge yourself in the process. Try to make your interest develop in the processes that are occurring in pharmaceuticals. When a pharmacist do all activities himself, he will not be deceived by any operator because he can understand either he is lying or not. Working with his own skills, a pharmacist can understand the behavior of every product very well. Be patient, no doubt. Patience is the key to success. As we know, each and every profession is hard and tough. Similarly, in pharmacy, you will face new situations with every day. So never lose temper and be patient. Sometimes situations are not in your favor. So at that moment, try to realize your lacking point and make your accountability first. Be a teacher when you gain much experience, skills, and are equipped with background theoretical knowledge, then do not limit that knowledge to yourself. Spread your skills and knowledge to others so that they may also be able to develop the same skills. If anyone comes to ask any question or problem, entertain him decently and in a polite way. Motivate others by asking practical questions and inspire them to answer the questions or whatever they know about that. Motivate others to read books, learn, and improve their knowledge. Thank you so much for your listening.